What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing another goodie on the Crown Vic. Something small, but you know, it's the tiny details that really make a decent difference. So today we are going to be installing an LED spotlight. So we're going to be getting rid of this old faded yellowed out one, and we're going to put a brand new fresh all LED one in. Actually, let me grab it real quick. Alright, so this is the old one, of course, and this is the new one. So I've never seen this old one lit up, but I can't imagine it's really that bright. I'm sure it kind of is a little bit, but this has like multiple LEDs in it. This thing is going to be bright. Of course, it's not street legal use, but if you're going on trails or off-road in the woods, this would be a cool spotlight to use, and that's what we were thinking when we bought it. I mean, I know a lot of people hate on P71s for people keeping their spotlights on, keeping them look like cop cars, but I don't know, it just makes the car so much more fun to have goofy stuff on it like this. Right, so I already had this out once before. So it turns out that it takes a little Allen key to take the lens off. There we go, got it off. Alright, now under here is the two plugs. Alright, so I unplugged the hot and the ground. So now we're going to take a peek at the new spotlight, which this might not, maybe it's an issue, I don't know. The plugs look bigger, I don't know. Alright, so bad news is it turns out I'm going to cut these off and put new ends on them because these ends are way too small for the new light, which sucks, but we can always come back to it. I can always make a separate video on wiring this thing up, but we are still going to throw it in there just so, you know, it's not as much as an eyesore. And boom, look at that. That looks so much better. Alright, so my wife has been begging me to do this for the past couple of weeks, so this is kind of a surprise to her. She doesn't know that I went out here and did this, so I'm gonna have her come out real quick and we're gonna catch her reaction. Alright, so she just answered my text, so she should be up any minute now.
Does it work?
No.
Come on, come on.
So, the plugs for this light are bigger for the whatchamacallits, you know what I mean?
Alright.
So I need to cut the plugs off on the inside and add bigger ones. But it looks better. I figure for now until I get the wiring stuff for it, at least it looks better. Honestly, that was a little successful surprise that I did for her, getting that done. I really wish I could got wired up because it'd be cool just to see it lit up and actually working, because we've never had it working at all ever since we had this car. So yeah, I guess I'm just going to go to AutoZone and get a sort of pack of different plugs so that I can splice in, because the new LED ones are much bigger for whatever reason and won't fit. But yeah, that will be in another video, guys. So if you want to see a video wiring it up, please stay tuned. Please leave a like and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.